When it comes to qualifying you in your home, there are a few factors in play to determine whether or not this will work for you. One of the first things that we take a look at is the sun exposure on your property. What this means is if you live in a wooded area where there's a lot of trees, chances are you're probably not going to get a lot of sun exposure, so solar may not be a good option for you. We need to make sure that you are exposed to enough sunlight throughout the year to produce enough energy for your home. On top of that, we need to make sure that your roof is facing the proper direction with the proper pitch. So if you have a north facing roof, we can't work with that typically. What we are looking for is a south facing roof, a west facing roof, or even an east facing roof. South facing is the number one option that we look for to ensure that you're getting enough sun hours throughout the year. And lastly, in terms of the qualifications that we look for initially when doing your consultation is whether or not you're in an area where your electric rates are at a point where it makes sense to transition over to solar. Typically, rule of thumb is if you're spending anywhere from $75 on up, you'll be able to see benefits from solar. But if your electricity bills are typically less than $75 on a monthly basis, financially speaking, you may not see a true benefit from going solar. So those are a few factors in play that we take a look at when transitioning over to solar is to ensure that your home qualifies with the sun exposure, the pitch and direction of your roof itself, and also whether or not your electrical rates and what your usage is at a point where transitioning over will make a financial benefit for you. Thank you.